to the dock. Now we're going to people standing on the dock. Welcome aboard the World Famous Junk Cruise. My name is CJ and I'll be your skipper for the next 2 exciting weeks. As a kind reminder, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Remain seated and supervise your children. Alrighty folks, up ahead you're going to see the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Just beyond that you'll find temples forbidden A through H in alphabetical order. And if you look carefully through those shrubs, you're going to see a strange species of creatures. It is known that their offspring will stay attached to their parents for 18 to 25 years and bleed them dry. Alrighty folks, and our next stop we're going to be entering an ancient Cambodian shrine built by ancient Cambodian Shriners. And on my left you're going to see a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. They jump 20 feet, but don't worry, we're only 15 feet away, so jump right over us. Also on the left you're going to see 3 cobras and a local crocodile, Ginger. Be careful, Ginger snaps. She is one tough cookie. We are now entering a secret elephant bathing pool. Go ahead, take as many pictures as you like. They're all wearing their trunks on for you. Oh wow, this has been here a long time. That is unheard of. And over there taking a shower is my good friend Bertha. I'm gonna wave and say hi, Bertha. She said hello and welcome to the jungle. Hey, Squid Buddy, how's it going today? Whoa, calm down. Thank you very much. Oh no, step back up for more. Everybody duck, goose. See, you're fine, just a little drop for you. Whoa, that was a big explosion. Let's get closer. Looks like we have some lucky business going on over here. Oh, look at that, it's your girl with the gun. Wait, girl with the gun? No, let's get out of here, not today. Up ahead, you're going to start seeing the beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after famous foreign founder jungle navigation company, Dr. Albert Falls. But don't worry, folks, we'll go over that one later. Instead, we're going to be entering the Nile River. You know, the Nile River is the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. If you don't believe me, you are in denial. And over there on the left, we have the second most street animal of the jungle, the African elephant. And on my right, we have the number 1 street animal of the jungle, his evil twin. Hey buddy, stay still for pictures. Good job. We are now about to enter the African Veldt. The African Veldt is home to several species of African animals, including giraffes, gazelles, zebras, lions, and vultures. Oh, look at that. This sleeping zebra being protected by lions. How adorable. You know what? He looks dead tired, so we should let him rest in peace. Oh, Super Felix Buddy, there you are. You've been missing all day. This is why we tell you to stay inside the boat at all times, buddy. What a risky mistake. This is first day on the job, probably his last. And if we look very carefully through those bushes way in the back, you're going to see absolutely nothing. For our next stop, we're going to be entering a pool of hippopotami. Last week they sunk 6 of our boats, but don't worry, only 5 of those boats were mine. Oh no, they're wiggling ears and blowing bubbles. That's not a good sign, folks. Alright, that means they're about to talk the boat, but don't worry, I know how to scare them off. Everyone, please cover your ears. Scare them stiff. Up ahead, it looks like some chimpanzees decided to give us Super Felix's boat. And it seems like the one at the wheel decided to take a crash course in boating. Oh, and look at that. Very decorated to a new home. Not my aesthetic, but hey, whatever floats your boat. And up ahead on the left, you have 2 more chimpanzees. First, I decided to take an interest in insects. You know what? I'm willing to bet the one on the right. Her name has got to be Annette. Alright, folks, it is my favorite part of our journey. It is the one, the only, the beautiful eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. It's so beautiful. I can look at that thing all day. Yeah, or the biggest tour of diving. Uh-oh, this does not look good. Bones on the rocks, bones on the shore. That is a sign that there are prawns nearby. So I'm going to take it nice and slow. That way, try not to disturb them. Uh-oh, that's not good. Okay, fine, let's get out of here. Alright, folks, sorry about this, but there's a little bit of backup up ahead. We're going to hang tight here for just a moment. Alrighty, folks, and we're also going to make a quick stop here at Trader Sam's gift shop. If you need any souvenir recommendations, go ahead and pick up a hat, because here at Jungle Navigation Company, we specialize in capsizing. Alrighty, well, we have returned to civilization. Welcome back, everyone. Before we approach the dock, as a kind reminder, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Remain seated, do not get out until you're instructed to do so. Alright, folks, we'll be next in line. Alright, folks, we're about to approach the dock. As a reminder, please keep your hands, arms inside. Alright, folks, it has been an amazing journey today. I hope you have a great rest of your day here at Adventureland. We thought so. Please remain seated for the meantime. Alright, please remain seated. Alrighty, folks, as we're closer to the jungle over here, you're going to exit towards the back. If you're closer to the dock, exit towards the front. Watch your head, watch your step as you exit. Use those handrails. And have a great rest of your day here in Adventureland. Take care, everyone.